If you're looking to get to 100,000 per year quickly, here are the 5 steps to get there in about 6 to 12 months. I've seen this work for a few people, including myself. The 5 steps that we will be covering in this video are: number 1, find your job, and then number 2, learn sales basics. Number 3, professionalize your business. Number 4 is to start earning. And number 5 is acting like a pro. My name is Benji and I'll be explaining these 5 steps in more detail now. So let's jump right into number 1, which is finding your job. Maybe you're at this step already, but look into local service jobs. Learn about their income potential and how hard the work is by maybe looking at some YouTube videos about the work and how it's done. The one I got into and recommend is tile and grout cleaning. It's a growing industry and makes good money. Once you find this job, you need to get really good at it. Practice your skills, including customer service, and learn all about the job as much as you can. And then going into step number 2 is learn the sales basics. Don't let fear stop you. Talk to customers a lot. Learn about sales from YouTube, books, whatever you prefer. Push for a sales role if it's a job or something in your industry that you can do. Like in my case, it was doing the estimates for tile and grout and focusing on getting better each time, because you'll suck in the beginning. And if you can't do sales right away, don't worry about it. Just focus on step number 1 and just studying sales. Now let's get to step 3, which is professionalize your business. Make a website with great SEO and a pro look. And if you don't know how to do it, hire someone on Fiverr or just learn for free on YouTube. I paid for it and then I kept giving my ideas to them so I can see my vision come alive. Now, before making the website, you need to come up with a business name, a logo, and then a phone number. I would suggest not using your personal one. And then start a social media to post before and afters. Take them from your job, put them there. And then step number 4 is start earning. Now, steps 1 to 3 will take a couple months at least. But if you're ahead, it's quicker. But to start earning, you need to learn Google Ads, how to do it yourself. I used YouTube to help me. That's what I use for everything. So study well the marketing aspect. Get your first leads and paid jobs. The LLC and bank stuff can wait. Just earn your money first. And then 5th and final step is act like a pro. Get leads, provide top customer service, and act like a pro until you become one. And if you're not sure what to say to leads, just explain the work process, the options in detail, and then go over your pricing. Just aim for appointments in your price range. Don't engage with the ones that look for a cheap deal. Those are not your target. Focus on the leads you couldn't close. They will guide your improvements. So stop complaining about your situation and start acting. Figure out where you are in these 5 steps and start making money. Hit that subscribe button if this was any useful to you, and stick around for more detailed guidance. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.